In this video, we're going to do a pre-use visual inspection of the CoverUp key. The CoverUp key comes in a robust, ergonomic case to be used for transportation and for storage. We recommend you use the case to keep all your bits together. It will be 7 kilos, 7.5 kilos, depending on the parts that are in there. So don't drop it on your foot, don't drop it on anyone else's foot. So we're going to open the case, and all of the bits that you need ought to be in there. So inside the case we have the bar. This is the heaviest part, weighing in about 6 kilos. So be careful when you're handling it. We're visually inspecting it to make sure that there's no damage to the handles, that they're all in place, that there's no cracks, there's no bends, everything's as it ought to be. Inside the netted part, you'll have your brochure with your the tip range and the product range, and whatever tips you have according to the set that you have. A couple of retaining clips that are used to hold the tips in place, and then your tips themselves. This is a drainage set, so we've got 22 mil flat tip, a cleaning tip, and a 12 mil J hook. So we're inspecting the retaining clips to make sure there's no undue wear on those. The tips and the retaining clips will wear out eventually in time, so they need to be replaced before they break, because when they break is when the damage can happen to you and to your equipment and that sort of thing. So we've inspected the tips to make sure that there's no undue wear on those, there's no cracks, no chips, and the same with the retaining clips. Then we'll assemble it into the slot and clip the retaining clip around. Make sure that it's moving as it ought to, and just note that the tip can be assembled at 90-degree orientation for convenience with the orientation of the keyhole in the manhole cover. And that concludes the pre-use visual inspection of the CoverUp key.